The one title I couldn't find in Open Library was this title, Best American Mystery Stories of the Century. So I did go to Google Books, and to find Google Books, just go to a browser and type in Google Books, and it should be a link that comes up. The initial search page will start out with Google, and then you'll see the word books underneath. I've just put the title in, and I can click search. And this book is actually the matching ISBN of the one that's listed on your syllabus for the class. So to look inside of it, you'll see that there is a preview right here, or you can click on the title right here, and it will bring up a copy of the book. Now, what's tricky about Google Books is that you get a shortened preview. So you'll see right here, this is a preview. The total pages displayed will be limited. So just know that right now we're kind of scrolling through the book. You can make it bigger or smaller with these tools. You can look at particular chapters right here, and you can search for certain words. So if you wanted to look up a specific story, you can do the story search title right there at the top, and it should show you the pages where you can find them. As you scroll through, though, you'll see the table of contents, so you will be able to see what pages are located and where. So you can hopefully guide through here and see if you can get access to those pages right there. So it's not the entire book, but it is a way that you can get access to some of the pages for this particular book. Now you'll see there's a shaded area behind. To actually view that, you want to click the X right here on the reader, and then you're taken to this right here. Now on my version of Google Chrome, I am looking at the new updated Google Books, which I don't think has been brought out for everyone. I'm trying it out to see the buttons. I do like that they have a little citation writer right here, so you can do create citation and copy and paste it to wherever you need to go to. But there is a link at the top, so if you are doing your search and you go, it doesn't look anything like that on my computer, you might be looking at the classic Google Books that looks like this. So I can say no thanks to the try it now. And then I can click on it, and it should take me inside the book right here. So it still looks a little newer than the other edition, but just know I'm going to have to say no thanks to get that out of there so I can see more of the book, but it should be all right here. And to look at the chapters, you can look at the drop-down button right here. So there's the two versions. I'm not sure when Google will switch from one to the other, but you should be able to get some portion of the book right here.